Assalamu alaikum. The name of our story is Kar Bahala Ho Bala, written and voiced by Hafiz Naeem Ahmed Sahil. Abu Jan came as soon as the rat entered the house. Its children started running after seeing it. Shut up. I come home in a state of trouble. And these gentlemen lifts the sky on their head when they sees me. The mouse scolded his children and they sat down. What happened? Didn't get a job even today? Asked the mouse. No, I wandered around in the forest all day. I went to other forests too, but no one is ready to give me a job. I am thinking of going to the Lion King tomorrow and begging him maybe I can get a job somewhere with his recommendation. Let's go, said the mouse. Yes, well, you do the same. I hope the Lion King will definitely help us, said the mouse. The next day, the mouse prepared and arrived at the Lion King's court. What's the matter, mice? You look worried. The Lion King asked the mouse. Long live the king. Do what? The story of you and me has been going on for years. People learn from reading this story that good is rewarded with good. Your great-grandfather did good to my great-grandfather, and my great-grandfather returned it with kindness to your great-grandfather, said the mouse. The mouse. What does mean? You have been teasing the stories of the animals of the past. I did not understand your meaning. Long live the king. One day your great-grandfather was sleeping in the forest. My great-grandfather climbed on his back and started dancing, which opened his eyes. I asked you to leave me today. Tomorrow I will help you in any trouble. So it happened. A few days later, a cruel hunter trapped your great-grandfather in a net, and then my great-grandfather cut the net with his teeth. Your great-grandfather's life was saved. That is, he proved that good is rewarded with good. The mouse said it fearfully. Then what should I do? Replied the lion indifferently. Long live the king. The first want this story to be repeated again. If you do me good, I may be of use to you tomorrow too. The lion thought that the mouse was right. Trouble and trouble do not come by telling. If my great-grandfather can get into trouble, then I can also get into trouble at some point. He said to the mouse, say, what's the matter? What good are you asking of me? Badashah Salamat, I have studied up to Repi. I studied with great effort, fulfilled the expectations of the parents, but the owners of the companies here ask for bribes and recommendations instead of looking at the benefits. I had heard that these evils are found in humans, but here animals are also suffering from them. I am a poor animal and I have 4 children. Please recommend me a job from somewhere, the mouse pleaded. Okay, I'm giving you an address. You go there, I'll call and you'll get a job. Many days have passed. The lion forgot about the incident. Then one day it happened that in this forest the opposing party of the Lion King attacked, and he dismissed the government of the lion and established his own government. The lion was defeated. First lion started beating and beating, and the second lion sat in his place. Now the first lion started beating and beating. He was quite old and no life in his weak body. One day Rat was returning from work in his car, and on the way he found the tiger half dead. Sher Badshah, you, the mouse, stopped the car and tears began to flow from his eyes. Long live the king. Even today you are the same king as me. I will call you king. If the subjects of this forest have forgotten you, then it does not matter. I have not forgotten you. You helped me in difficult times. Today I will help you because good is rewarded with good. You go to my house and stay there. I will get you treated. On hearing this, the lion remembered everything and tears started flowing from his eyes. The mouse picked up the tiger, put him in his car and drove the car. The lion was sitting in the back seat, thinking that indeed good is rewarded with good. If I had not done good to the mouse, I would have died sobbing today. But what to do? This is a lesson taught by our forefathers if they were to each other. If we did not do good to him, then what could we do? Thinking about this, the lion fell asleep while the car was moving slowly.